go. He's a big boy. He can swim all by himself. Soon he's gonna get tired. Oh, he's pooping.